So you want to know the best method to tie your shoe once and only once in a day so it doesn't come untied and be flopping around. Or you want to teach your young child how to tie his shoes properly so that he or her shoes stay tied all day long. Well, here we go. I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to go through it really quickly and then I'll break it down and show slowly so that you get it. But once you learn how to do this, you can do this very quickly, very easily, and it's just automatic every day. But it will stay tied, guaranteed, all day long. And all it is an extra loop, and you can see that it comes untied very easily. So you're going to start by just looping exactly how you would normally. You're going to make a loop, wrap it around that loop in your thumb, grab that piece, and then you're going to take this loop and tuck it around away from you and pull it back up through this hole. So that is the double loop that is formed, and when you pull it tight, it stays locked in all day long. This will not come untied at all. And then when you go to undo it, you pull and it comes right undone very easily. So it's never a problem. And of course, this will work on any shoelaces: gym shoes, tennis shoes, golf shoes, curling shoes, track shoes, roller blades, doesn't matter. So again, loop, loop, around in your thumb, grab this one here, pull it around, wrap it around, and underneath, grab and pull. I've done this for years and years and years and years. Do it every single day, every single pair of shoes I own. Never, ever, ever comes untied where I have to retie my shoes at the end of the day. Piece of cake. Teach your kids this way as well as learn yourself this way. And if you've got interest in this, if this is of value, I'd love a subscribe and a comment below if you want to share your method. Thank you, and go tie your shoes.